Srangshala Rajakor Agulini Khungsha Vesharkari Hotel Haste Puilani Kahai Organic Buyer Seller Conference Songsa Jakha O Pando Fai Manjak Faika Hukbar Montri Roton Lalna Tripura Hafang Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department by Naikolza Tripura Haste Organic Agriculture Development Corporation Abo Hayaprin Harka Ashalo Conference no Songsa Ruwe Hastete Father Hastini Sime Faimani Buyer Seller by Malaika Montri Roton Lalna O Pandawa Hastini produce organic agriculture notice as exhibition bo songsa jakha.
Safe food and chemical free food and traceable food. Organic agriculture is not a fashion. It is a future ready solution to the global crisis of health, climate change and soil degradation. Tripura is ready to lead this transformation. We are not just adopting organic practices. We are building an entire ecosystem from farm to fork, खेती से थाली तक, लैंड से प्लेट तक हम लोग चाहते हैं. We have developed more than 25,000 hectares of certified organic land and formed 53 organic FPCs being certified by approved certification agency, and also supported cultivation of high value crops like Queen pineapple, Bar's eye chili, black rice, local name is Memi Hanga, aromatic rice, that is Horinarayan and Kalikasa, scented lemon, sesame.
Bureau Report, Kokhara.